Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. Pandemic is moving around, it is putting life at stake. Better is to, or wise attempt is to remain inside your homes, restrict your movements outside so that you can defeat the COVID-19 infection and also you can prepare well for the coming examinations that shall be taken in the month of November or December by board by reducing some part of the syllabus. It is class 12, the subject of general English, and topic under discussion is writing skill, that is resume, a very important writing skill. First of all, it is pronounced as resume, but in Indian language or in even pronunciation, because there is always regional impact on the pronunciation, we called it resume. But first of all, what resume means? Resume is a brief history of your personal details, your educational qualification, your experiences, your skill. If you are applying for a job in the private sector, you are asked many a times send your resume. If you are applying for a job in the Western countries or in the our world for the as a for the job of teacher, for the post of a teacher, you are asked to send your resume. In private sectors, resumes are asked to send your resumes, while in public sector it is curriculum vitae. So your resume should be one page at least if you are applying in private sector. If you are applying in public sector, your curriculum vitae should be on 2 pages. So resume is what? It is a brief history of your educational, of your personal details, educational qualification, experiences, skills. In nutshell, what we can say, what you have done, what you have done, what you are, or what you can do is resume. For effective resume, how to write a resume in effective resume, I am giving you the format. First of all, on the left corner, you have to start it from your name, your full name. For example, Badal Rustam Khoja. Then your date of birth. That means date first, it is 1/8/1992. Then address, village, Manzgam, Tehsil, Kopara, district Kopara, mobile number 7006711106, email Badal Rustam 38864@gmail.com. Then your profile or objectives, but it depends on person to person. You have to write down a motivated, experienced, and a dedicated postgraduate. Then your educational qualification, and you can start from your recent educational qualification. Example, MA Public Administration, Year, name of the college or university, it is Kashmir University. If you have got a very good score, you can write percentage of marks 92%, and then remarks. If you have something extra, you want to put something extra information, you can write down gold medalist in public administration at University of Kashmir. Then most recent. This is recent. Then this is the most recent, and this is recent. First of all, you have to write down the most recent, then recent. BEd, Bachelor of Education from Kashmir University. If you have not got high score of percentage, don't write it. Then remarks. If you do not have a better achievement, leave this column empty. Then your skills. Computer knowing, candidate, fluency in English spoken language, or we can say fluently speaking English. Thirdly, motivational power in almost 3 languages. Then your hobbies, your hobby. Basically, you are applying for the job of teacher. You should write your hobby that's related to teacher. Book reading, watching TV debates on education. Dear students, this is how your resume gets, an effective resume gets created or prepared. And at the end, you have to write down simple with regards or best regards, Badal Rustam, and put your signature here. Put the same resume in the envelope, write down the address of that very company or organization where you want to send it, and mail it. This is how you will prepare an effective resume, and you will get the job on this very resume possibly. Dear students, this is enough for today because we are resting on 2G. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion or query strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me, and when you post your query there or confusion there, within short duration of time, your confusion shall be cleared. But before leaving class, I'm advising you, English reference books are available with you. Do see this very format or a resume writing skill on your available reference book of English. Then, if any sort of query strikes your mind, you can call me or WhatsApp me. But before leaving class, I am advising you, do remain inside your homes because pandemic is moving around. By remaining in home isolation, you can defeat the COVID-19 infection and also can prepare yourselves well for the coming examination. Thanks. Be blessed.